Download the installation files Alto sent. Extract the files. Install Alto PythonParts in Office Stead folder. Copy the files in Stead folder. Open All Menu 2025, Service File Explorer Office Standard STD. Paste the copied files here. Every computer in Office must have the library for the Python parts. Next, install the library. Copy the prg folder. Go to All Menu 2025, Service File Explorer, CAD Program folder. Paste the prg folder here. Administrator permission is required to copy the prg folder. Done. Find the Python parts in ALLPLAN, Library Office, Python parts, All2 Alto free tools.